Alright guys, welcome. Those of you that just joined, give me 1 second. Or just skip like 30 seconds into this. I just need to share this link, letting chat know we are live. Let's see this. We are live. Okay. So I'm gonna see the stocks we had on watch last Sunday, well, the Sunday that just passed. So these are the tickers. BLDP. Let's take a look at that one. See how that's been doing. Oops. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one broke out. So good. BLDP. Let's see if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so it did break out past that 515 resistance we had here. It hit 550. Decent run, but it looks like it's now headed back to its 550 breakout level. So watch 550 breakout on BLDP. So that's a quick update on that. GALE. This is the next one. Still had that 44 breakout, or that 42. Still not convinced. We're still gonna keep that 44 level on it. For this one, Friday, I had 740, I believe. It still hasn't touched it, so still that level. INFI, see the resistance. Where was that at? The trend was broken down, so I'm eyeing 150 now, but it still didn't touch my 170 buy. So 150 is the breakout level here. So I'll spike back up to like the 160s to find that trend again. KERK or KERX. I'm sorry. Did it break $8? No, it didn't. It tried to break it out here, so we would have kind of got faked out. Cup and handle definitely forming on the 15-minute. So watch a 70-80 breakout. I mean, 780. Plug is the next one. Still hasn't broken 3. Kind of did pre-market that day, but it still came back down to its old channel where the 289 support. So it's still channeling. Watch a $3 breakout. RIGL. Still hasn't broken that ascending triangle. This was a clean ascending triangle. Still consolidating right here above 386 and then under 4. So 4 is the breakout. XXII. Let's see. We had a 350 here. A 350 breakout. Didn't touch it. Not on my watch. Not eyeing this one. VNet. The last one we had on Sunday. Oh, this one did break out. Ascending triangle as well. I think I emphasized this one here. Clean ascending triangle breakouts past over 718. These are lessons you guys need to learn. So, or patterns as well. So 718, and it almost hit $8. So tomorrow I'm minus 7. It's holding some support above 750. So I'm gonna eye a 773 breakout. And as for the ones we have added. Hey, just dropped in. I'm feeling bullish on HMNY. I am as well. I talked about it in my other videos I released earlier. I mean, this one's just money machine. It's still held above 30 after hours, so I kind of do want to get in on a dip here. I just need to see what happens pre-market tomorrow, so stay tuned for pre-market. But I did scan. What is this? Oh. How do I exit this? I don't need this. Okay, so okay, ACR, we can still see them. Ignore that. I don't know how to take that off. ACRX. Let's take a look at that one. And it's too much of a barcode. I don't like it. BAA. I'm not liking it. BPTH. This one's a little bit more interesting. So let's take a look at the 15. Right here at 52.86, there was a clear ascending triangle breakout, and then it dipped back down to 53. Now it's holding some support above 53. So watch a 57 crossover and a 50. I want to say 59 pop. So where did it fall off? Started falling off from the 66, so that's a profit target you guys want to look out for, 66. EKSO. I believe somebody mentioned this one earlier. I'm not sure. I like the run. I don't like the previous barcoding. It's just plateaued, choppiness, downtrend. Okay, so look, this is what I see on the 1 hour. Spikes up, dips, smaller spike, dips, spikes up. I think tomorrow it's in a dip. Continue downtrending. I'm taking it off. HLX. Next one. Notice I'm just quick analyzing these quick. If I don't like, I'm just very picky with what stocks I look at. I see 750. Go back to the 1 minute. This looks very unpredictable. I mean, what kind of chart pattern is this? I'm gonna have to pass on this one. IDRA and INAP. INAP was on the scanner this morning, so let's take a look at that one. Oops. Okay, so I believe the lines are there for a reason. It's 239. Let's look at the 30-minute. Okay, so there was some massive resistance here at 250. No surprise, which is the $half mark, almost a triple. A top broke out, so I'm expecting a dip down at 260 for it to find support there, or it could dip down at 250 and find support there above the resistance. So even though if it dips down at 250, it could hold some support there and then bounce back to 270. So that's my little quick take on IGRA. There was some resistance here back March, April-ish at 263, so that area might still act as some sort of resistance. INAP was the next one. This one was in a scanner this morning. Beautiful, beautiful 4 hour. I like it. Let's look at the 1 minute. I'll take this one. So there's some resistance at 5. It gapped up, opened, and it hit 660. I mean 560. This could fall down to 5, find support there. It's still very good. Or it could hold its resistance, its current resistance here at 511. And I might have pop at 530, a profit target at 560 in the 560s. Which one's the next one? Mankind. I haven't been keeping up with this one. Okay, so let's see, did we have this one on watch? No, we did not. So that was my mistake by not keeping that 550 $half mark again, resistance there. It broke out. So I'm liking this one. I'm gonna have to go with the $7, just plain 7 right here. $7 breakout. Where is the support? Zoom out a bit. This one touched 635 twice. This would have been scary. Very bearish. It did manage to bounce, but I'm not so sure about the support, any support level here. So I'm gonna have to go with 630s. Once again, this could dip all the way down to 550, and don't think it's done. If it dips to 550, don't think it's over. It's still trying to maintain the volume, much better volume than yesterday, but it could dip down to 550 and bounce from there. That is the previous resistance. Make sure it holds it as support, at least 3-time test. Just like we have triple tops, 3 support tests. Which one's the next one? SRNE. Let's see this one. I kind of want to call this a flag pattern for some reason. So let's see. It's very, very weird pattern here on the 1 minute, but the 30 minutes a little bit more flaggish. That's even a word, but right here it looks like a flag. So I'm gonna say a 270 scalp here. 270. Let's see. VNet. That's the same one we just covered, right? The one that had the clean ascending triangle breakout. It did. So watch. I believe I called this one already here on the 773 area. Support could be here at 750. So we're gonna skip WPS and we're gonna go with XGTI, a more known ticker, XGTI. Let me see. At a quick glance, you're supposed to have a gut feeling. What do I see? My gut says no. On 30 minutes, horrible. I could imagine on the 1 minute. I'm gonna skip on this one. Let's look at the daily. Well, actually no. Actually, I want to. It's close to $2. The daily chart I could kind of see. No, I think it's already had its spike. Probably could reach 218 in the next couple of days. Just keep this one on the back of the list. Um, yeah, this one's gonna. It's already at 190 right now. It's close to $2, so keep this one at the back. So that was my quick analysis. I'm sorry for this advertisement popping up here. I don't know how to take it off. Yeah, CLSN. CLSN. I have these stocks on watch, and there's just so many stocks that run, and so much things I have to do. I'm not putting excuses, but I missed them. But I hope you guys catch them. Where is this? This was from yesterday. CLSN buy at 380, price target 410. Why did I say 380? You guys have to plot. You guys have to learn how to plot the resistance and the support. That's the secret. You can make a lot of money just plotting support and resistance. So here's a 380 resistance. You can see it. Let's zoom in a bit. That's too much. Let's go back. It hit it once right here. One resistance at 8:38 a.m. And 20 minutes later, it hits it again, resistance. It comes down. I don't care what happens midday. You're not supposed to be trading midday. It comes right back up a bit. It spikes up of 380. Comes right back down. That is the resistance you want to keep a lookout for. Next day, say you wake up late or for some reason you miss it. Oh well, it's forming an ABCD textbook type ascending triangle breakout chart pattern. So it's slowly forming like a snake, higher lows. Higher low here at 392. At 4, whole number, see if it holds, 408. Gonna squeeze, boom, volume comes in above EMA, breaks out. Buy here at 416-ish, and sell at 440, 450, 435, whatever your plan is. And it comes right back up. So another resistance level here we had is at 441. It breaks up again. You can see the volume spike coming in, runs all the way to 485. Now we have that $5 resistance, and I'm looking for a pop here at 479. You can see there was a higher low forming, ascending triangle forming, but it did not quite manage to break in there. It didn't have the volume to push past through compared to the other times it broke out. So it dips, forms a cup and handle. This is very weird. Some very weird action happening here into the close, but we don't care because we're waiting for 480. So that's my take on CLSN. It was a great play. HMNY. I just get that feeling. It's a weird feeling, guys. Like when you guys just witness HMNY, you guys are gonna witness another stock do the same thing. IDXG, whether it be IDXG at the beginning of this year on January 3rd or ETRM, like these scar you good, like a good scar. Like you remember these tickers, and it's a good feeling knowing that there are thousands and thousands of traders tomorrow just eager to sell their HMNY positions and just wait for another market day to make money. You know, like there's people waiting, or they won't be able to sleep. Because I've had this. Swinging it's very stressful. You wake up so early, you can't sleep, and you're just like, is my stock gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? You're thinking of all the endless possibilities. I might become rich, but it's crazy because we're gonna see what happens tomorrow. And I mean, look at the 4 hour. That's insane. From the low 220s to the $30. I love it. I love HMY now. Even as much as I doubted it, HMY just told all the stock traders this is the potential that the stock market has. So I'm very excited to see what happens tomorrow. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. For those of you that haven't, this is the scanner sign up. So I'll link it down below, and I'll stream it 30 minutes into the before market opens and after the close. So that's pretty much it for our Technical Tuesday. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys found some value, then please make sure you leave a like below, or a question if you guys have a question. Once again, chat room, first link, or second, because I'm going to put the scanner on the top. But yeah, share this, like it. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys. I'll make the document. I'll send it out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow pre-market in the chat room. Take care, guys.